Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we're going to present our project titled Simple Student Information Service Chatbot. This project focuses on developing an AI-based chatbot that helps students access academic information easily, quickly, and accurately. It's built to respond instantly, providing answers about KRS schedules, exams, academic leave, and scholarships. Anytime, anywhere, without depending on office hours or administrative staff. But before we begin, allow us to introduce ourselves. My name is Arif Rimarahadian with study ID number 2024 32 107.
And my name is Argya Marika Putra with student ID number 2024322091.
My name is Faiz Nur Badriansa, 2024 3293.
My name is Kumas Omar Sekolah Syabiran with student ID number 2024 32097.
In this presentation, we will discuss the main challenge of accessing academic information, explain the objectives and workflow of our system, describe the AI methods implemented, highlight the system's benefit and flexibility, and show how this project contributes to digital transformation in higher education. First, there are academic information access with access challenge. This main nowadays many students still face difficulties when trying to access academic information quickly and accurately. Most of the time, students need to check several platforms such as the academic website, bulletin boards, or even visit the administration office just to get basic information like KRS schedules, exam timetables, or scholarship updates. This project is not only inefficient, but also time consuming, especially when information is urgently needed. Therefore, it becomes a real challenge for both students and institution to provide fast, accurate, and consistent information access. That is why our team believes that an AI-based chatbot can be a practical solution. It can deliver information instantly, anytime, and anywhere, without depending on office hours or administrative staff availability. And then system objectives. The main objective of our project is to design and develop an AI-based chatbot that can automatically provide academic information service to students. This chatbot aims to answer students' questions about career schedules, exams, leave requests, and scholarships quickly and accurately, without the need for direct interaction with administrative staff. Another important goal is to implement artificial intelligence technology in the educational environment as a real example of digital transformation in modern universities. In addition, this system also promotes information accessibility, allowing students to get the answer they need from any device at any time. Finally, this project is designed to serve as a foundation for future development, where the chatbot can be upgraded with more advanced natural language processing technology in the future.
In benefit of all based system for student quick access to information without waiting for staff and service available via computer or mobile, instant answer to all academic questions for institution, save staff time for routine inquiries. Staff can focus on complex administrative tasks, support digital transformation of modern campus, system flexibility, access without office or limitation, compatible with various devices, effective solution with outside operation hours, AI technology implementation, enable AI implementation in education. Practical example of technology for everyone. Foundation for campus digital transformation. In data type and information source. Data type structure qualitative data in the form of frequently asked questions that have been well curated to ensure the accuracy of academic information. Example, when does course registration open? And every begin of the semester. How do I apply for a leave of absence? Fill out the form in the academic selection. Data source, official institution, website, and academic portal. Academic handbook and a campus regulation. Coordination with administrative and academic departments.
Okay. In this slide, we explain the artificial intelligence approach used in our chatbot, which is a simple form of natural language processing or NLP. NLP allows the chatbot to understand the question types by users. Our system used keyword matching methods, which mean it looks for important keyword in the user's question and matches them with the information stored in the FAQ database. This approach doesn't require complex machine learning training, but it's still effective for an early stage chatbot. The main advantage are that it's fast, lightweight, and easy to update, since we can simply add or modify FAQ data without retraining the model. So the chatbot can deliver accurate answer in a simple, efficient, and practical way. Next, this slide show how the workflow of our chatbot system operates. First, the user types a question related to academic information. Then, the system process the question using simple NLP to detect the main keyword. After that, the chatbot search for matching keyword in the FAQ database. If a relevant answer is found, it will display the response immediately. But if no match is found, the chatbot will show a default message letting the user know that the information isn't available yet. With this workflow, the chatbot can provide academic information quickly, automatically, automatically, and at any time without needing direct assistance from administrative staff.
Okay, for the flow map and flow chart, illustrate the sequence of process that occur in the student information service chatbot system based on natural language processing or NLP. This diagram explains how data is processed from the moment the user provides input until the system produces the final response. For the first one, the data input. The process begins when the user, in this case a student, enters a question through a chatbot interface, and then the question is typically typed in free and natural text form. For example, when is the deadline for tuition payment, or how do I print my KRS? The data received at this stage is called unstructured text because it consists of natural sentence without a fixed pattern. This input stage serves as a starting point of interaction between humans and the artificial intelligence system. And for the second one, the pre-processing, the next stage is the pre-processing, which involves the cleaning and preparing data so that it can be processed by the system, where the goal is to transform raw text into a simpler and more structured form, which the step include the tokenization. It means breaking the sentence into smaller parts of word, and then case folding, converting all letters to lowercase for consistency, and then stop word removal, eliminating common words such as the, and in. And then for the last one, stemming, reducing words to their root form. For example, paying becomes pay. For the third one is AI processing, where this stage is the core of the chatbot system, where AI algorithms work to understand the user intent and find the most relevant answer. This process combines two main methods. It's the rule-based system and back of words, or BOW. Is used to recognize specific patterns or keywords in the question. For example, if the system detects the phrase class schedule, it immediately retrieves the rule that contains the related response. And then the back of words method that measures the similar between the user question and the list of the question in the FAQ database. And for the final one is the output, where the system displays the response derived from the matching process in text form from the user. Next slide. In the student information service chatbot system, there is two main methods are used, the rule-based system and the back of words. Where the first one, the rule-based system, this method operates based on a set of predefined if-then rules. Each rule connects specific keywords to relevant response. For example, if a question contains the word class schedule, the system will display information related to the schedule. For the second one, the BOW, back of words. BOW is a text representation method that converts sentences into a collection of words without considering their order. Each word's frequency is counted and used to measure similarity between texts. Next slide. And for the last one, in the implementation of AI-based chatbot, several potential errors may affect the accuracy of its responses. One of the main causes is dataset imbalance, where most of the questions in the FAQ database cover only certain topics, while others appear infrequently. This can cause the chatbot to recognize common questions more easily while failing to understand rare or unseen ones. Additionally, the system may encounter data noise, which refers to irrelevant text, spelling errors, or variation in language that differ from the training data. In this case, error often occur when users type question using informal or unexpected phrasing. For instance, a question like "When is the last day to pay tuition?" might not be recognized for the system because the system only knows the pattern about tuition payment deadline. As a result, the chatbot could be provide an inaccurate and irrelevant response.
All right, to conclude our project about the simple student information service chatbot is demonstrates how artificial intelligence can be applied in higher education to improve both efficiency and accessibility. By combining a rule-based system with a back of words approach, this chatbot can provide quick and consistent response without the need for human assistance. Even though this project is still a prototype, we believe it can serve as a foundation for future development, where AI chatbots will become smarter and more adaptive to the needs of modern universities. I think that's all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.